s'habiller. Tout le monde peut bien s'habiller, mais tout le monde ne peut pas s'habiller. Ah, les vêtements c'est comme une arme. Tu peux être bien armé, mais ça va tirer aussi, c'est important. Beno quoi.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good today, and we are back with another video. And as you saw on the thumbnail, we're talking more about Physicians Formula. I've been into Physicians Formula lately, so if you want to know what I think about these two products right here, stay tuned, because the drill, as always, I will introduce myself in French briefly and the timestamp will be on screen, and I'll see you guys soon. Salut les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien, et aujourd'hui on a une revue sur encore Physicians Formula. J'ai fait une dernière vidéo sur Physicians Formula et j'ai beaucoup aimé le produit, donc j'ai décidé d'embarquer un peu plus profondément dans cette ligne, et j'avoue que je suis vraiment impressionnée par cette compagnie. Oui, et surtout que auparavant il n'était pas approprié pour les femmes de couleur, mais je pense qu'ils sont en train de faire plus d'efforts, et je suis très fière de vous ramener une nouveauté, un bon deal, et toujours avec les rabais et coupons et tout et promotions. J'ai beaucoup aimé ces deux produits et je vous le recommande absolument. Et là on va seulement parler de ce que j'ai pris en détail, et si vous désirez voir ma dernière vidéo sur ma première vidéo sur Physicians Formula, il y aura aussi le lien sous la barre d'infos. J'ai aussi beaucoup aimé ces deux produits dont j'ai parlé la dernière fois. Très bien. Donc voilà, c'est tout. Je vais m'exprimer plutôt en anglais en expliquant mon opinion sur ces produits, mais si vous désirez plus d'informations en français, veuillez faire les commentaires sous la barre d'infos. Je serai très ravie de vous répondre. Donc pour que la vidéo ne soit pas trop longue, je vais juste m'introduire rapidement en français. Je vais tout expliquer en anglais, mais si chacun de vous a une question, n'hésitez pas de vous présenter sous la barre d'infos avec vos questions. Donc le français sera un peu plus bref, ou juste pour éviter les longues vidéos, et juste aussi pour vous rappeler que je m'exprime aussi en français. Donc s'il y a quelqu'un qui ne s'exprime pas bien en anglais et qui aimerait mieux s'exprimer en français, veuillez faire les commentaires. Je suis très heureuse de vous répondre. On se lance dans l'explication de ces produits, pourquoi je les aime, pourquoi je vous les recommande et comment je leur obtiens avec les sortes de promotions. Je prends la majorité de mes produits drugstore chez CVS. Au cas où je ne trouve pas mes produits chez CVS, je me rends chez Walmart ou Target ou Ulta Beauty. Donc pour les drugstores, c'est d'abord CVS, parce que j'adore mes coupons, mes promotions, mes rabais, mes rewards. On sait déjà tout, knick-knack, on est toujours sur les coupons, donc on n'oublie jamais les promotions. Donc voilà, merci à tous, on n'oublie pas le bon Dieu, et on se voit toujours à la prochaine. Mouah, ciao, bye bye. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing great. We are back with another Physicians Formula video, and like I said, I did a video on Physicians Formula prior, and I really like the product. And they are not known for being friendly to women of color or dark skinned women or brown skinned women, but I thought, why not explore it just to see what they have that are not of complexion related that we can try. And I've been finding a lot of good gems, like the two that I tried prior, and I'll link that video down in the down bar so you can see and you can go and buy it yourself. Of course, the two products we're talking about today, guys, oh my god, it's the new Bright Booster Oil and also the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day Serum. You guys, these are must-haves from the drugstore for skincare. I always tell you guys, skincare is more important than makeup. If your skincare is good, you might as well just do like a 5-minute, 10-minute makeup look if you really want to for every day, and you're all set. And I really do love these products. Again, Physicians Formula products are usually very expensive from the drugstore, but you guys know CVS always has coupons, and on top of that, this brand has rewards every week. It's only one per customer, but it's every week without a fail. Like every week, it's either $10 back or $7 back. If you get $7 back, you must spend a minimum of 10, and then if you get $10 back, you must spend a minimum of 15. So usually it's always a sale, 7 or 10 back, and there's always coupons you can use on top of that. So I got a good deal. So I used my coupons that I had prior on these. I used my rewards that I had prior on these. So these were about, I'll put the prices on these. I think they were ranging between $12 and $13, and so I got $10 back on each. And on top of that, I used my coupons and rewards that I had, so these were like free. Okay, so you guys already know I don't, you know, when I get my receipts, I'll post it for you guys. I don't play with those receipts. Okay, I like to give you proof when I can remember. I usually try to keep my receipts so you guys can really see that I'm not bluffing. This is real. This is supposed to brighten and tighten your skin, and I really love this. It smells so good, and I also love the packaging. It's very easy to clean, although it's white, and it has like a dropper top right there. And I'm just gonna unscrew that. Yeah, so this one is an oil-free luminous formula. It does have like a white, it's white in color, and it does have like luminous pearls, but not big, very light. It doesn't show on your skin at all, and it's very lightweight, and it does brighten and give like a light glow. And I wore it today for my skincare regimen, and I like it. I've been using it for about 3 days, and I'm very impressed. I didn't break out. It's hypoallergenic. It's enriched with rose water to help soothe, calm, and hydrate your skin. Those are things that I'm always looking for. And it's also formulated with an antioxidant rich goji and kakadu plum, the richest vitamin C source of any fruit. Okay, you guys know I also really care about vitamin C, so that's what really brought me to that, you know, hydration, vitamin C, hypoallergenic, and all that stuff. It's very good. And also on the back right here, it says it's hypoallergenic, paraben free, gluten free, oil free, dermatologist tested, clinically tested, and cruelty free. So that goes for both products. And I'm just gonna open that for you guys right here. So that's the dropper right there, and I'm just gonna drop a couple on my hand so you guys can see that it's pretty white. Okay, it's runny but not too crazy. Okay, and then you can just rub it in. You see that bright luminous glow? Oh guys, it's so beautiful. Look at that, so gorgeous, guys. The more you put, the more glow it gets, but it's a nice healthy glow. Oh my god, like guys, I love it so much. Look at that. And it smells like, I don't know how to explain how it smells like, but it's relaxing. I don't like scent in my skincare products, but when this one is non-irritating, it's more like, it's almost like you're going to a spa and you just you know, it's like going to a spa, and when you inhale it, it relaxes you. That's the vibe I get from the smell. The smell is not disturbing at all. It's not distracting. So if you don't like strong scent, this will be okay for you. So it's good on all skin tones. It's not gonna make you look ashy or gray, or you know, you can wear it alone during the summer to give you that nice healthy glow, you know, if you're going to the beach or the pool or whatever. I love it, guys. I love it so much, and all the benefits that it also has on top of that, and the price, I say it's a 10 thumbs up times infinity. I love it. It's something that I will continuously put in my skincare routine, and that's just my take on that. So please do let me know how you feel about this, from the packaging to the quality to the ingredients to the claims. I think it's wonderful, and it's also so safe for traveling, which is amazing. It will not leak. I really do recommend this product at all costs for all my women and men out there. So let me know what you do think about it, and if you will purchase it. And now going into the Bright Booster Oil Elixir, and lightweight and fast absorbing, leaves a smooth non-sticky finish, melting onto the skin, leaving it silky, soft, and never greasy. I do agree with all those claims. I've used this for about 2 weeks now, and again, I use my rewards and I use my coupons, and I got $10 back in rewards for buying this as well. Again, the packaging is amazing. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I like looking at it with all my skincare products. It's so amazing, and I like the packaging. It's very unique and very different, and you just open it like this, and it's, you know, an oil like any other. What I like about this is that you just pretty much, to absorb it, you press this top down into the bottle and you slowly lift it up. Okay, you release it and it grabs the product like right inside there, as you see, and then you just drop it on by pushing down on it again, and it's very runny as you see, but it's clear, and then you just apply it on your skin, and it is very, very nice. I really like this to seal in my skincare routine as a last step, and also good before priming my face for makeup. I do like it. It has a weird smell. I don't like the smell of this one though. It's a little bit, it's not irritating, but it's just I don't like the smell really much. I wish it was like the other one, or it didn't have a smell at all. It just smells a little bit weird, but nothing irritating, nothing that's gonna bother you. I just want to inform you that it does have a scent. It's non-greasing. It definitely absorbs fast into the skin, as you can see. It gives you a nice healthy glow, and it's not sticky. It's very, very good to wear with makeup, so I definitely recommend this, guys. Again, for the price, it's just so amazing. I mean, I just, you know, that's pretty much it. They're just really good products. It's really a good oil, especially for people who are beginning in skincare, don't know what kind of oils to get, don't know what type of skincare products to get, or serums. I feel like if you're beginning and you don't want to shop online because you're not sure about the different brands, even though I have quite a few videos on skincare, these are things that are readily available in all drugstores that I think can be very useful for you guys, and it's also good because if you don't like it, you can return it. So, but if you're looking for something readily available, affordable, while using coupons and with the reassurance that you can just get back in store and return it, I say go for these. These are 2 thumbs up. Let me know how you enjoy it. Let me know if you already tried it. If you will, when you do, come back and let me know. If you have other things that you've tried that you'd like me to know about, I'll be glad to look into it and test it out. I mean, I only have one face, but you know, I try to space out how much I try so I don't irritate my skin too much, because it does get irritated when you try too many things at once. But you know, that's what I'm here for. I love doing this for you guys. So give it a thumbs up if you do like it, share it if you care, and I will see you guys next time on my next video. Please don't forget to always praise God, and I will see you guys soon. Mwah. Ciao, bye bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.